It's February, it's Loot Crate, and it's time to do an unboxing. What's going on, Mixonites? I'm Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we're going to unbox a Loot Crate, which is entitled Protect. Anyway, this month of February, I saw Black Panther on the cover, saw the movie, it was awesome. Saw it 4 times actually, and yeah, so I was still in the hype, so I said, let me buy a Loot Crate box to see what's going on in here. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and if you already done so, turn on the push notifications so you can catch my latest and greatest. So let's unbox this bad boy. What's in the box? Had a bat ring because that ring's not really tearing up the paw. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? We are starting off with a shirt. Looks like that one football team. I don't know what they call it, but anyway, nice shirt. I think I'll be rocking this. I haven't worn a t-shirt in a while, which has superheroes on it, but this is a new start for me, and I really liked it. Smells boxy. Here we got loot pins. How to Train Your Dragon. Really cool pin. I figured it would be something with Black Panther, but I guess not. So next in the box we have a Pacific Rim Uprising coaster set. Now as you know, there's an awesome movie coming out for fanboys such as myself, Robots and Monsters. You can't get better than that. If you don't want people putting their wet cups on your table, this is what you put on. Hey, use the Pacific Rim coaster set. Stop the monsters drips from your cup and getting my table all jacked up. Oh man, what is this? The Expanse. What is this? So it looks like this is a ship replica of base and a backdrop for this spaceship. I'm not sure. I don't follow the Expanse. I don't know what it is, but it looked like it'd be something kind of cool to display on a mantle or something like that. We have a poster, looks like it. Oh, the Fallout crate. It's telling me to save 10%. Yeah, so this was this is kind of bogus. You got me. Got him. That pretty much sums up this box. I'm not too pleased with it. I don't know many of the things except for the Black Panther t-shirt, but and How to Train Your Dragon pin. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's something in here that you like, let me know in the description box below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Like and turn on those push notifications so you catch the next and greatest video from yours truly. All right, I'll catch you later. Peace.